Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of running a successful business: pricing your services. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner, setting the right price can make all the difference. Pricing isn't just about covering your costs. It's about understanding your value, your market, and your clients. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps to help you confidently set and adjust your service prices. Let's start by exploring why pricing matters and how it impacts your business growth and client relationships. Before you can set a price, you need to understand your costs. This includes both direct costs, like materials or software, and indirect costs, such as rent, utilities, and your own salary. Take time to list every expense related to delivering your service. By knowing your total costs, you ensure that your pricing covers expenses and leaves room for profit. This foundational step prevents you from undercharging and helps you build a sustainable business. Next, we'll look at how to factor in your desired profit margin. Once you've calculated your costs, it's time to decide on your profit margin. Your profit margin is the percentage of revenue that exceeds your costs. This is what allows your business to grow, invest, and weather slow periods. Consider industry standards, your business goals, and the value you provide when setting your margin. Remember, your profit margin should reflect both your expertise and the quality of your service. Let's move on to researching your market to see how others price similar services. Market research is essential for understanding what your competitors charge and what clients are willing to pay. Start by identifying businesses or freelancers offering similar services. Analyze their pricing structures, packages, and any added value they provide. This information helps you position your services competitively without undercutting yourself. Remember, pricing too low can signal lower quality, while pricing too high may limit your client base. Next, we'll discuss how to define your unique value proposition. Your value proposition sets you apart from the competition. It's the unique combination of skills, experience, and results you offer. Think about what makes your service special. Do you deliver faster, provide better support, or have specialized expertise? Communicate these strengths clearly to justify your pricing. Clients are often willing to pay more for services that solve their problems efficiently or deliver exceptional results. Now, let's look at different pricing models you can use. The hourly pricing model is straightforward. You charge clients based on the number of hours worked. This model is common for consultants and freelancers who provide variable services. It's transparent and easy to understand, but it can sometimes limit your earning potential if you work efficiently. Make sure your hourly rate covers your costs, desired profit, and accounts for non-billable hours like admin or marketing. Next, we'll explore the project-based pricing model. Project-based pricing means charging a flat fee for a specific project, regardless of the hours spent. This model is ideal for well-defined projects with clear deliverables. It rewards efficiency and can be more attractive to clients who want predictable costs. However, it's important to accurately estimate the time and resources required to avoid underpricing. Next, we'll discuss retainer pricing and how it can provide steady income. With a retainer model, clients pay a recurring fee for ongoing access to your services. This approach provides predictable income and helps build long-term client relationships. Retainers work well for services that require regular support, such as marketing or IT. Be clear about what's included in the retainer and set boundaries to avoid scope creep. Next, let's look at value-based pricing and how it can maximize your earnings. Value-based pricing focuses on the results and benefits your service delivers to the client rather than the time or resources spent. If your work helps a client generate significant revenue or save time, you can charge more based on that value. This model requires a deep understanding of your client's needs and the impact of your service. It's often used by experts or specialists who deliver measurable outcomes. Next, we'll discuss how to calculate your base rate. To calculate your base rate, add up all your business and personal expenses, then divide by the number of billable hours you expect to work each year. Don't forget to include taxes, insurance, and time off. This calculation gives you a minimum rate you need to charge to break even. From there, you can add your desired profit margin and adjust for market demand. Next, let's see how to adjust your pricing for different clients. Not all clients are the same. Some may require more support, faster turnaround, or have larger budgets. Adjust your pricing based on the client's needs, industry, and the complexity of the project. For example, corporate clients may expect higher rates than small businesses. Be transparent about your pricing structure and explain the value they receive. Next, we'll talk about offering packages to simplify your pricing. Offering service packages can make your pricing clearer and more appealing. Packages bundle different services together at a set price, making it easier for clients to choose what fits their needs. For example, you might offer basic, standard, and premium packages with increasing levels of service. Packages also help you upsell and increase your average transaction value. Next, let's discuss how to communicate your prices confidently. How you present your prices is just as important as the numbers themselves. Be clear, confident, and transparent. Avoid apologizing for your rates or offering discounts too quickly. Instead, focus on the value and results you deliver. Use professional proposals or pricing sheets to outline your services and costs. This builds trust and positions you as a professional. Next, we'll look at handling price objections from clients. Clients may sometimes push back on your prices. When this happens, listen to their concerns and explain the value you provide. Share examples of past results or testimonials to build credibility. If needed, offer alternative packages or payment plans instead of lowering your rates. Remember, not every client will be a fit, and that's okay. Next, let's discuss when and how to raise your prices. Raising your prices is a natural part of business growth. Consider increasing your rates when you gain more experience, expand your skills, or demand for your services rises. Give clients advance notice and explain the reasons for the change. Most clients will understand if you communicate professionally and continue to deliver great results. Next, we'll talk about offering discounts strategically. Discounts can attract new clients or reward loyal ones, but use them sparingly. Frequent discounts may devalue your services and set unrealistic expectations. Instead, offer limited-time promotions or bundle deals to add value without eroding your rates. Always explain the reason for a discount and set clear terms. Next, let's discuss how to handle negotiations with confidence. Negotiation is a normal part of business. Approach it with confidence and a willingness to find win-win solutions. Be clear about your minimum acceptable rate and the value you provide. If a client asks for a lower price, consider adjusting the scope of work rather than your rate. This ensures you're fairly compensated for your time and expertise. Next, we'll look at using contracts to protect your pricing. Contracts are essential for protecting your pricing and setting clear expectations. A good contract outlines the scope of work, payment terms, deadlines, and any additional fees. This helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures you get paid on time. Always review your contracts with clients before starting work. Next, let's talk about invoicing and payment schedules. Clear invoicing and payment terms help you get paid promptly. Specify when invoices are due, acceptable payment methods, and any late fees. Consider requiring a deposit or milestone payments for larger projects. Use professional invoicing software to track payments and send reminders. This keeps your cash flow healthy and reduces the risk of non-payment. Next, we'll discuss how to handle late payments. Late payments can disrupt your business. To minimize issues, set clear expectations up front and follow up promptly when payments are overdue. Consider charging late fees as outlined in your contract. Maintain professionalism and keep communication open. If necessary, pause work until payment is received. Next, let's look at reviewing and updating your pricing regularly. Regularly reviewing your pricing ensures you stay competitive and profitable. Set a schedule to assess your rates, costs, and market conditions at least once a year. Look for changes in demand, new competitors, or increased expenses. Adjust your prices as needed to reflect your current value and business goals. Next, we'll discuss tracking your profitability. Tracking your profitability helps you understand which services and clients are most valuable. Use accounting, software, or spreadsheets to monitor income, expenses, and profit margins. Analyze your data to identify trends and opportunities for improvement. This information guides your pricing decisions and helps you focus on the most profitable work. Next, let's talk about managing scope creep. Scope creep occurs when a project expands beyond the original agreement, often without additional compensation. Prevent this by clearly defining deliverables in your contract and communicating any changes promptly. If a client requests extra work, provide a revised quote before proceeding. This protects your time and ensures you're paid fairly. Next, let's discuss the importance of setting boundaries. Setting boundaries with clients is key to maintaining a healthy work-life balance and protecting your pricing. Be clear about your working hours, response times, and what's included in your services. If clients request work outside of these boundaries, explain any additional charges. Boundaries help you avoid burnout and ensure clients respect your time. Next, we'll look at building long-term client relationships. Strong client relationships lead to repeat business and referrals. Deliver consistent value, communicate regularly, and show appreciation for your clients. When clients trust you, they're more likely to accept your pricing and recommend you to others. Focus on long-term partnerships rather than one-off transactions. Next, let's discuss the role of testimonials and case studies. Testimonials from satisfied clients are powerful tools for justifying your prices. Ask clients for feedback and permission to share their comments on your website or proposals. Positive testimonials build credibility and help potential clients feel confident in your services. Next, we'll see how case studies can further support your pricing. Case studies highlight the results you've achieved for clients. They provide concrete examples of your expertise and the value you deliver. Include details about the client's challenges, your solutions, and the outcomes. Case studies help justify your pricing by showing real-world impact. Next, let's talk about the importance of continuous learning. Staying updated with industry trends and skills allows you to offer more value and justify higher prices. Invest in courses, attend workshops, and network with peers. The more you learn, the more you can offer your clients. Continuous learning also keeps you motivated and adaptable in a changing market. Next, we'll discuss the role of certifications. Certifications demonstrate your expertise and commitment to your field. They can help you stand out and command higher rates. Choose certifications that are recognized in your industry and relevant to your services. Display them on your website and proposals to build trust with clients. Next, let's talk about leveraging technology to streamline your pricing process. Technology can simplify your pricing and billing processes. Use software to create quotes, track time, and manage invoices. Automation reduces errors and saves you time, allowing you to focus on delivering great service. Explore tools that integrate with your workflow and make it easier to manage your business. Next, we'll discuss the importance of networking. Networking helps you connect with potential clients, partners, and mentors. Attend industry events, join online communities, and participate in local business groups. Networking can lead to new opportunities, referrals, and insights into market trends. Building a strong network supports your business growth and helps you stay competitive. Next, let's talk about personal branding. Your personal brand influences how clients perceive your value and pricing. Develop a professional online presence through your website, social media, and portfolio. Share your expertise, showcase your work, and engage with your audience. A strong personal brand helps you attract ideal clients and command higher rates. Next, we'll discuss the importance of specialization. Specializing in a niche allows you to become an expert in a specific area, making it easier to justify premium pricing. Identify the industries or problems you're most passionate about and tailor your services accordingly. Specialization helps you stand out and attract clients who value your expertise. Next, let's talk about the role of referrals. Referrals are one of the most effective ways to grow your business. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others by providing excellent service and expressing your appreciation. Consider offering referral incentives or discounts as a thank you. Referrals help you reach new clients who are already primed to trust your expertise. Next, let's discuss the importance of feedback. Regular feedback from clients helps you improve your services and pricing. Ask for feedback after each project and use it to refine your offerings. Positive feedback can be used as testimonials, while constructive criticism helps you address any weaknesses. Listening to your clients shows you care about their experience and are committed to continuous improvement. Next, let's talk about adapting to market changes. The business landscape is always evolving. Stay flexible and be ready to adjust your pricing, services, or approach as market conditions change. Monitor industry trends, client needs, and competitor strategies. Being adaptable helps you stay relevant and competitive. Next, we'll discuss the importance of financial planning. Solid financial planning supports your pricing decisions and business growth. Create a budget, set financial goals, and track your progress regularly. Understand your cash flow and plan for slow periods or unexpected expenses. Financial planning gives you the confidence to set and maintain profitable prices. Next, let's talk about the importance of work-life balance. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential for long-term success. Set boundaries around your work hours and make time for rest and personal activities. A balanced lifestyle helps you stay motivated, avoid burnout, and deliver better service to your clients. Remember, your pricing should reflect the value of your time and expertise. Next, let's discuss the importance of self-confidence. Confidence in your skills and pricing is key to business success. Believe in the value you provide and don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Practice communicating your prices assertively and back them up with evidence of your results. Confidence attracts clients who respect your expertise and are willing to pay for quality. Next, let's talk about learning from setbacks. Every business faces setbacks, whether it's losing a client or underpricing a project. Use these experiences as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and move forward with new insights. Resilience and adaptability are essential for long-term success. Next, let's discuss the importance of celebrating your wins. Take time to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Recognizing your progress boosts motivation and reinforces positive habits. Celebrate landing a new client, reaching a financial goal, or successfully raising your prices. Sharing your wins with your team or network can also inspire others. Next, we'll summarize the key steps to pricing your services. Let's recap the key steps to pricing your services. Understand your costs, set a profit margin, research your market, define your value, choose the right pricing model, communicate confidently, and review your rates regularly. Remember, pricing is both an art and a science. It requires ongoing attention and adjustment as your business evolves. Next, we'll share some final tips for success. As you move forward, remember to stay confident, keep learning, and adapt to changes. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth and stand by your value. Build strong client relationships, seek feedback, and always look for ways to improve. With the right approach, you'll set prices that support your business goals and attract the clients you want. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. Pricing your services is a journey that evolves with your business. By understanding your costs, knowing your value, and communicating confidently, you'll build a profitable and sustainable business. Remember, the right clients will appreciate your expertise and be willing to pay for quality. Thank you for joining us on this pricing journey. Wishing you success as you put these strategies into action. Now it's your turn. Review your current pricing, apply the strategies we've discussed, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, pricing is not set in stone. As your skills and business grow, so should your rates. Stay proactive, keep learning, and don't hesitate to seek advice from mentors or peers. With the right mindset and tools, you'll master the art of pricing your services and achieve your business goals.